GULFSHORESMAN visits Barber Marina. George Barber had a dream to build a world-class marina on the northern coast of the Gulf of Mexico. In 2004, he completed Barber Motorsports Park in Birmingham, Alabama. I had the great thrill of driving the 1986 Eagle GTP Corvette there several times. It's a first-class racing facility. Barber Marina's construction began in 2004 with the excavation of a 9-acre basin. The marina opened for business in 2008, but major construction continued until completion in 2010. The marina boasts a campus of 25 acres of beautifully landscaping nestled in within a larger 3,000-acre tract of land. I hope you find some value in my videos, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel to get more content such as this. Please leave me a comment on this or other videos you would like to see, and I will get back with you. Barber Marina, 26986 Fish Trap Road, Alberta, Alabama, has 80,000 square feet with 400 boat capacity of dry storage. They can lift boats up to 42,000 pounds. With unlimited launches and retrievals, outdoor storage, outdoor work racks, trailer storage, 3 marine forklifts, hurricane storage, and marina. Constructed in 2008 overlooking the Intercoastal Waterway. Concrete floating docks capable of vessels of over 100 feet. With 30, 50, and 100 amp hookups are all available. Pump out stations, fish cleaning stations, 24-hour security, ship store, gas and high-speed diesel pumps. Remember to comment on what you would like for me to cover in and around the Alabama Gulf of Mexico and Baldwin County. While here, marvel at the beautiful fountains at the roundabout and enjoy the whimsical Lady in the Lake statue out in the harbor. The Lady in the Lake was destroyed in September 2020 during Hurricane Sally. It has been restored and will be replaced in the marina in late November 2022. Also on the Barber Marina property is a maze of dinosaur statues that I know the kids of all ages will love. As you can see, one of my favorites is a replica of Stonehenge called Bamahenge. With its wonderful landscaping, you will enjoy walking around in the lower Alabama countryside. Just a drive over from Gulf Shores is worth seeing. While you're in the area, you may want to drive over to the famous Pirates Cove. GULFSHORESMAN hasn't been there yet, but will be going soon and look forward to a great report. Rumors have it, they have the best cheeseburgers and bushwhackers around, and you can bring the pooch with you. GULFSHORESMAN loves to bring you a view of what it's like living at the beach and show you all the cool stuff you can see and do while here. It's not just the best beach in the world, it is surrounded by cool stuff to see and explore far and wide. Rainy afternoons at the beach may turn into a fantastic adventure, so get out and explore this vast and historic part of America. Remember to subscribe and comment. See you soon.